What a lovely day it is. Well, I'm in Istanbul's oldest structure, the Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque, right now, and I can't wait to see this magnificent and historic Grand Mosque. But as you can see, a long line and a lot of people are waiting to get inside. I'm hoping this line moves quickly. अहिले यति बेला चाहिँ म यहाँ हाजिया सोफिया मस्कमा आइपुगेको छु जुन चाहिँ इस्तानबुलको सबैभन्दा पुराना बिल्डिङ र मस्क हो र म भित्र जानलाई चाहिँ अहिले लाइनमा बसिरहेको छु त लाइन धेरै रहेछ धेरै लामो रहेछ अब हेरौँ सायद छिटै भित्र छिर्न सकिन्छ होला
Blue Mosque भनेको हिजो अर्कोपट्टिको त्यो पर छ यो चाहिँ हाजिया सोफिया संस्थानको सबभन्दा पुरानो अब छिर्न लाग्यो सेक्युरिटी चेकिङ हुँदैछ
Abicim bir yanlış yaptım şu önceden de düzeltiyorum. Ne kadar can. Dolandırıcı. While I'm saying that 99% is Muslim, I don't mean that
Alright, I'm here in the main entrance now. Need to take off the shoes here. I'll place them in the designated box so that easy to find when I leave. Also, just wanna tell that to enter the mosque, women are required to cover their heads, and men are not allowed to wear shorts. I guess it's more about respecting the culture and following tradition. Wow, take a look at this magnificent architecture and interior. This building mosque was constructed between 532 and 537 AD. The Hagia Sophia, Holy Wisdom Hagia Sophia, stand as a remarkable achievement in Byzantine architecture and art. Originally built as a Christian church during the 6th century CE under the direction of Byzantine Emperor Justinian I, and later it was transformed into a mosque following the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople in May 1453. All right, I have finished admiring this stunning mosque and its surroundings. It was a memorable visit here. So now I'm heading to the downtown area. Would like to take a walk there for a bit before heading to my hotel room. Okay, then this is why probably gonna end my today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like and subscribe button. We will see in the next video. Until then, have a great time and take care of yourself. Thank you.